Hi everybody, I'm here just to do a quick unveiling of my little Zokop washing machine that I purchased. By the way, my name is Tiny. You guys bear with me. It's my first YouTubing video that I'm going to be doing. I mean, I did one a while ago when Trump was elected, but I don't know. It was really stupid. It didn't really get a lot of views. But I figured, hey, let me try something else. So it is called a Zokop, and it is a mini washing machine. I just got it in the mail today. Um, Hang on, it's got this plastic on here that's keeping me from putting my hand. Okay, so this is the washing side, I guess. Oh my God, this is plastic. Let's see, what is this? That's poison. So this is the tube that was in the washing side. I assume it goes on. I think it goes on here. Well, it's really, is it fitting? I don't know. And I assume that this part goes onto your sink, or it's supposed to at least. So I'm assuming that I would need to unscrew this part, but I don't know. We would have to see. Okay, so we'll get this side. Okay, I'm not sure why all this plastic is. Okay, so okay, so this is the spinner side. Well, it's obviously much more smaller than the washing side, so I'm allowed to wash a lot more than what I will spin it. But we are going to give it a little tester wash and see, because this is supposed to, I guess, go on top of there instead of center. But you know what's weird? It didn't come with any instructions or anything. Okay, there's the plug. I'm trying to figure out okay, so this is the spin timer, wash timer. This is the cycle you can wash it on. You drain, but what is... Okay, so where would the water come out of? I'm trying to see when the water will come, where? Okay, so here is the drain hose. Okay. So the drain hose is here when you want to let the water drain out. You keep it up when you don't want to. But for the spin side, which is way more heavier than the wash side to lift up, I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. So, I'm going to, what is going on here? Okay. So I think I'm going to do a little test run with some items. So let's just go grab some random things. Yeah, I know you want to play in this box. Let's get, I have to get, watch out, baby butt. Oh, I thought that was a bug on my floor. Watch out. You guys, I'm so sorry the video was made, but I will get better, I promise. I really promise. Alright, what's in here? Let's grab a couple of things out of the laundry. Just to give it a little test run and see. Watch out, baby butt. Ouch, I stumped my toe. Well, let's see what it does with a pair of jeans as well. Okay. Watch out, baby butt. Okay. Okay. Make sure there's nothing in the pockets. Let me go get the detergent. Hold on a minute. Watch out, man. Okay. Let's give it a whirl. Put my little Irish socks in here. Maybe we could fit a couple more items. Watch out, baby. Watch out. All right. We're just gonna see how that does. We're gonna add some liquid up in there. Houston, we have a problem. It's a 3-prong. My extension cord is only for 2. And it's looking like I'm going to have to, what the fuck? Sorry. Take it out. I'm going to have to take it out of the tub. So let's just hope that there's no leakage.